everybody, AD Jackson 330 here, and today we're going to be unboxing the Dream Big VB kit for February. So let's get started. So first up, we have this month's sticky note pad. This really cool circles with geometric patterns on the background and a gold foiled vine border. I'm just thinking how perfect this would be to layer on like a monogram or a die cut in the middle and laminate it to stick it in my planner pockets. This is really cute. Up next, we have a 3-pack of adhesive corner pockets. We haven't had these in a while, so they are all 3 gold foiled and the same size. This first one has the hot air balloon and clouds. Then we've got this floral with the sticker stash, and the last one has this pattern on it. And these are really simple to use. You peel it off of the backing paper. It's sticky, so you can lay it down on any kind of paper, or lamination works best for me. I like to stick it inside of my planner covers and on my dashboards just to keep little die cuts and sticker sheets. And next up, this is so adorable. We've got some wire paper clips. These are gold. We've got the little cloud and one that says Dream. These are the backs. Oh, these are so cute. I love these. And this was sneak peeked to us by Tiffany a little bit earlier. This is a pen case. So we've got this fun brush stroke and splatter pattern. And then you've got the VB logo with My Pretty Pens on it. This tucks into here. You've got a very nice pocket here, and this is a really soft material. I love these for keeping in my planner bag and in my handbags, just because you don't want your pens getting all scratched up inside there, like around your keys or whatever else you have. You know, so very helpful and handy for that. And then we have our washi for this month, so let's go ahead and unroll those and get a better look. All right, so first up we have our standard size roll, and this one features clouds and hot air balloons in gold foil, and it's on a clear backing. Hopefully that's focusing so you can see. And our skinny roll has this really pretty line of flowers, so both of these tapes are going to be perfect for spring. And one of my always favorite parts of the kits, we have this month's sticker book. This is the extra little deco sheet. So you've got the pins at the top with Dream Big, which is going to be the pin name, and then a really pretty sheet of foiled deco stickers. And then we've got in our sticker book, we're going to start off with the full boxes. And y'all know I love my foil wiggles. These houses are so cute. Oh, and this is one of my favorite, progress, not perfection. That's a really great quote. And then we've got all of our circle icons, some canceled labels and bill stickers, and these colors are like all of the spring vibes in this kit for sure. So then we've got some more full boxes and clip boxes and quarter boxes at the bottom. And then the sheet of half boxes with foiling. And then here are the headers. This is a really pretty font too. I love that each month you get to try out a new font for your stickers too. This one is definitely a hit for me. Then we've got this full sheet of deco. Oh, check out those flat lays. And then we've got 2 versions of date covers, some arrows and tabs. And then we've got our flags and checklists and banners. And then this is the mini sheet, or the week sheet I think is what it's called. And this is perfect for all of your smaller planners, your weeks, your hobo weeks, print pression weeks, monthly layouts. That's what I use mine for. In my hardbound print pression B6, I've been using these kits to decorate those a little bit. And then on the back it has the names and a little preview of all the sheets. And this month's pin, I'm so excited about this color. Whenever she showed a sneak peek of this in her Facebook group, oh my goodness, I could not handle it. Like with this gold this gold hardware too, it looks so stunning. And then can you see there's little cloud sequins mixed in with the crystals? Oh, fits this kit perfectly. I mean, of course, that's the whole point, but still. You love to see it every month. And then as a huge surprise, which she also sneaked, we get a second pin. Now this one was not included on the sticker deco sheet, so I'm not positive of the name yet, but I am sure that she will release that. and let everyone know. She probably is going to wait and let people, open up their boxes and get their surprises first so they can enjoy that, and then check the Facebook group and on her Instagram. But this is so cute. So this one actually has rose gold hardware and a white barrel. This is so pretty. So these are our 2 pins for this month. This is why it always pays to pre-order your kit, so you're not missing out on fun little surprises like this. Okay, and last up we have the paper pack add-on. I'm gonna flip through these. I'll start off this time with the 2 specialty papers. So we get 2 vellums. They do come folded. This one has some florals on there, and the second one is more of a geometric pattern. There we go. And then in addition to those 2, you also get 4 sheets of double-sided 8.5 by 11-inch paper. And just before I even open to see the inside of it, I'm loving this set right here. Like the pink and gold and mint color here, my favorite combination. So here's the inside of that paper. We've got some stripes. This is the full sheet of this one. And then this one, I love, love, love this pattern. And then the inside, you've got some florals with little speckles of gold glitter. And then we've got kind of this muted one with the brush strokes. And this is the inside of that. And then our last one has these patterns and lines. And then the back of that, oh, it's like a sky with little birds. Pretty. Love these colors. So this is a paper pack add-on, which you only get if you purchase this in addition to the basic kit during pre-orders. Kit extras, all of that information, make sure that you're following the Facebook group, that you're following on Instagram for Shop Villa Beautiful, and that you're signed up for the newsletters on the website so you don't miss all of that information in case you want to snag some extras or pick up something that you missed out on. And here are the digitals for this month's VB kit. You get all of these clip arts and papers to use over and over again. They're only included with pre-orders though, so don't miss out on next month's. They go live every month on the 20th. All the VB links can be found in the description below, so you can check out the kit info page, the Facebook group, the shop, the design team blog, all of that and more. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, or I'd love to know what your favorite part of this month's VB kit was. For me, it's the Dream Big pen and the clips. I love the cloud. Hope y'all enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.